Hill Start Assist. This vehicle has an HSA feature, which may be useful when the vehicle is stopped on the grade. This feature is designed to prevent the vehicle from rolling, either forward or rearward, during vehicle drive-off. After you completely stop and hold the vehicle in a complete standstill on a grade, HSA will automatically activate. During the transition period between when you release the brake pedal and start to accelerate to drive off on a grade, HSA holds the braking pressure for a maximum of 2 seconds to ensure that there is no rolling. The brakes will automatically release when the accelerator pedal is applied within the 2-second window. If the vehicle is equipped with the Integrated Trailer Brake Control (ITBC) system, HSA may also apply the trailer brakes. It will not activate if the vehicle is in a drive gear and facing downhill or if the vehicle is facing uphill and in reverse. There may be situations on minor hills, less than 5% grade, with a loaded vehicle or while pulling a trailer where HSA will not activate. If you release the brake pedal and then reapply the brake pedal while HSA is activated, the brake pedal typically feels firmer with less pedal travel.